Hello, Aholadunja Falcharash. It is so good to have you back. Happy New Year. Blina Vaur. And this is the GAELIC Metalcore Diaries. I'm Callan, and I'm here vo Ghaol, the world's only GAELIC metalcore band, and we have a lot to talk about. So, ons hier dollemach. Hada oran ur aking. We have 2 new songs. I've been so excited for these to come out because I feel very strongly about them both. And there's some stories behind them both as well. The first is called Psalm, which is the Gaelic word for psalm, as in a biblical psalm. So I went out to Lewis to film the visuals for this because I felt very strongly about the way that this song sounds and the way it should look. I'd had this idea for a long time. This song is a sample of a Gaelic psalm singing recording from 2004. Which I have to give a big thanks to Callum Martin from Lay Music. I asked him for permission, he suggested a few tweaks to the original, which we did, and then it's become this really incredible piece of music that I'm very proud of. And so that's the basis of the song, that's what you're hearing. Gaelic psalm singing has this beautiful quality to it. I really wanted to pay homage to it, but also add a big silly breakdown to it, which I did. So the second thing though, as I've recognised as an artist, it's really important for the visuals to match what people are hearing. Mar isimplar, seo a hiad jalaf a chleach me or son a hiad oran, vau ciar. Giroch, I think it's a rock. I think it's just a really zoomed in rock. I took a picture on my phone. Seo aber, hook me in jalaf seo, who's the styra? Le masking tape, oran. Like, you see what I'm getting at here? There's a difference between that and that, which is the art that we commissioned for Psalm and the second song, Darochadus. So this is a mask which I commissioned Danielle McLeod, who's an incredible artist from the Isle of Lewis. Here's her links if you want to go check out all of her work. She does amazing stuff. And I had this vision of what the art should look like, both the artwork, but also the visuals, the video to go around it. So commissioned her to make this, and you can see like it's night and day compared to Callan using a selfie for an album artwork, or a picture of a rock he took. So part of these 2 songs is about elevating what Ghaol is, and a huge part of this, as you can imagine, is perception. And if it looks like, oh, Callan has filmed everything in selfie mode to make a music video, versus, oh, time and effort has been put into this, it does help with where we believe Ghaol can go. It was such a great experience and getting to do that. It was a lot, I mean, a huge distance. If you visualize just how long it takes to get from where I am at the moment, here's a map. It's about 72 hours round trip. Totally worth it. And here's another short snippet of what you'll see in the full video. Alright, song 2 is Darochadus. It is the very first Gaelic and Irish metal song in history. So Scottish Gaelic and Irish have been combined before. It has not been done in heavy music, as far as my internet sleuthing could tell. This is Feel Evoked, or as I know him, Evan, from Ireland. He's been making some big waves with meadhanan and sòisealta. He has incredible vocals, like, he has a very different style to me. I can't do what he does, not even close. And so I'd wanted to work with him for a long time, probably since last summer. And we finally came together with this song. I felt it was a very good fit for him. And so we put that together. And then I went over to Ireland at the start of the year, and we filmed on the East Coast. Found this really cool sort of abandoned ruin spot that I was aiming for. So the vision for this one was a little different because I wanted to have the whole band involved, whereas Psalm is more of a story. There's kind of a lot of themes going on there, whereas Darochadus is just straightforward. We're all in sort of different moody locations. I'm very proud of it, very proud of the song, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. Also, have 2 shows to talk about. The first one is on Friday, the 6th of March. Alman Glasachu ik Slay Bishing Gleich Cholery Kuro, This House We Built, and headliners Glamour of the Kill, who I think I listened to in high school. That will be, I'm really looking forward to it. It's nice to be picking up where we left off. Our last show in 2025 was Glasgow. First show 2026, Glasgow. Different venue, bigger venue. And I'm really looking forward to that. We are starting rehearsals for that show this week. The second is a festival in Skye in May. I think it's the 15th and 16th, maybe 14th, 15th. It's a Friday, Saturday. You can camp. I went live today, and tickets should be available for you to buy. It's the very first metalcore festival in the Highlands, I think, ever. I'm yet to confirm what day we're playing, but we are playing it. And it will be a very first time in Skye. I'm very excited for that show. Briefly, because I spent a long time talking about the new songs on the 2 shows there, we are going to put out a Scottish World Cup song in Gaelic. That is happening. It is currently in the sort of writing demo process. It's sounding really fun. Don't think it's going to be a commercial success. Not sure the Scotland men's team will be playing it on the team bus, but we're going to do it anyway. Lots of fun ideas about the visuals for that flying around, so yep, keep your eyes peeled for that one. Oh yeah, we're thinking much more concretely now about playing some shows in Fiúk na Dúcha on an Alabuk after the summer. What you could call a mini tour. There's a lot of very interesting places that I would love for us to play. So watch this space. Perhaps in the next edition I'll have some more shows to tell you about. Gers maha sinna bhuamsa ar son video illa tap live or son éisteach raim. And if you of course have any comments or questions or anything you'd like to know, please put it in the chat. This isn't a live video, Callan. Come on, put it in the comments and I'll get back to it. But yeah, whatever you get up to, be well, and we'll see you soon. Cheers, Rasta.